We are trying to make your child's textbook read English videos for your child to teach correct pronunciation. If they listen to these videos 5 to 10 times, their English will become easier to understand and their motivation to speak will increase. Porar Ghar World. The only YouTube channel for reading correct pronunciation of English textbooks, Class 6, page 56 and 57, Little Red, Jessica McDonald. Once there was a girl, and her name was Little Red. She set off to her grandma's house, for Gram was sick in bed. She wandered through the forest, with her basket full of bread. She ran into the big bad wolf. "Where are you going?" he said. "I'm headed to my grandma's house." "Can't stop to talk," said Red, the sneaky wolf. He made a plan, and then away he sped. When Red got to her grandma's house, she saw her there in bed. "Oh, what big eyes, and ears, and teeth, you have upon your head. The better to eat you with, my dear," the hungry wolf just said. "Please don't eat me," said Little Red, "just eat my bread instead." Thank you for watching the video.